Have you ever felt like your credit history is a ghost haunting your financial future? A constant reminder of past missteps, no matter how long ago they were? Equifax, one of the 3 major credit bureaus in Canada, plays a crucial role in shaping your credit score. But what if you're ready to sever ties with this digital overlord? What if you want to reclaim your financial privacy? In this video, we'll guide you through the process of deleting your Equifax account in Canada. Understanding the process. Before we dive into the steps, let's clarify what deleting your Equifax account actually means. Deleting your account doesn't mean your credit history will vanish into thin air. It simply means you're opting out of Equifax's services. Your credit information will still be available to other credit bureaus, and lenders can still access it. So why would you want to delete your Equifax account? Privacy concerns. If you're worried about your personal information being misused or sold to third parties, deleting your account can offer a sense of control. Identity theft prevention. While deleting your account won't guarantee protection against identity theft, it can reduce the potential damage by limiting access to your sensitive information. Peace of mind. For some people, knowing they've taken steps to limit the influence of credit bureaus can provide a sense of relief. Step-by-step guide. Gather your information. Before you begin, make sure you have the following information ready. Your full name. Your social insurance number, SIN. Your current mailing address. Your date of birth. Contact Equifax. There are several ways to contact Equifax. Phone. Call Equifax's customer service line at phone number. Online. Visit Equifax's website and look for a contact form or live chat option. Mail. Send a written request to Equifax's mailing address. Request deletion. When you contact Equifax, clearly state your intention to delete your account. Be prepared to provide your personal information to verify your identity. Verify your identity. Equifax may request additional documentation to confirm your identity. This could include copies of your driver's license, passport, or birth certificate. Confirm deletion. Once Equifax has verified your identity, they will confirm your request to delete your account. You may receive a confirmation letter or email. Additional considerations. Freezing your credit. If you're concerned about identity theft, consider freezing your credit with all 3 major credit bureaus. This will prevent new accounts from being opened in your name. Monitoring your credit. Even after deleting your Equifax account, it's important to monitor your credit report regularly. This will help you detect any unauthorized activity or errors. Alternative credit bureaus. If you're looking to improve your credit score, you may want to consider using alternative credit bureaus that focus on positive reporting. Deleting your Equifax account can be a powerful step towards reclaiming your financial privacy. While it won't erase your credit history, it can help you feel more in control of your personal information. Remember, the process may vary slightly depending on your individual circumstances. If you encounter any difficulties, don't hesitate to reach out to Equifax's customer service for assistance. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.